Hey y'all. So the last little bit for this week is histograms. When you're doing a histogram, you are simply drawing a bar graph, okay? The only difference is histograms touch and bar graphs do not. So the first thing you're going to do is count how many numbers you have in each interval and fill in your frequency chart or your frequency table. So how many numbers fall in between 0 and 9? Again, I mark my numbers out because it's easier to keep up with. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers fall in between 0 and 9. How many are in between 10 and 19? We have 1, 2, 3. So 3 fall in between 10 to 19. And then your last set is 20 to 29. We have 2 numbers that fall in that interval range, which is 28 and 29. So 2. Then all we have to do from there is fill in our our histogram. So we've already done our frequency table. Now we take that same information and put it into our histogram. Since our highest number is 4 here, I'm just going to go by ones. So that will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is the height of your graph. So from 0 to 9, we have 4. Draw your bar. From 10 to 19, we have 3. So you'll go to where this one stopped at 3 and come across. And then for your last one, it's at 2. So you'll start at 2 and come across. As you notice, they're all touching. There are no spaces in between your bars. That is what makes this a histogram. So again, you take the data they gave you, put it into your frequency table based on the intervals they give you. If you have to create your own interval, then it's just a matter of making sure you have the same amount of numbers. So from 0 to 9, you have 10 numbers. From 10 to 19, you have 10 numbers. From 20 to 29, there are 10 numbers. And then you fill in your frequency and then put that information into your histogram.